Hi, I am Ajinkya. The next CISA question is on the screen for you. Now, first things first, focus on the question what it talks about. This question talks about answering from security manager point of view and not from the auditor's point of view. Second is this question talks about the immediate steps which needs to be taken in case of an incident. So keeping these two things in mind, let's look at the concept. This concept relates to incident management. Now a ransomware attack is being taken place. Now here this can be categorized as an incident. In incident, the steps are first identification of incident, contamination of incident, and then eradication of incident, and the last will be reporting of the incident. So question talks about the immediate step. Now, as per the chronology that we saw, the incident has already been identified, which means we don't have to identify the incident because ransomware has already been identified. Now, let's look at, I've already told you the hierarchy of the incident management process. Now, let's look at the four options. Now, one of the option talks about running an antivirus scan. It is sort of like if I have to give you an example, it will be like, you know, conducting a fire drill when your office is under fire. It doesn't help, right? So we can eliminate that option. One more option talks about reporting to the regulatory authorities. Like we saw in the chronology, that is not the immediate step. Reporting to the authorities is the last step. Now, one, one of the options also talks about, uh, you know, taking the server out, shutting the server out. Now, the issue with this option is you will lose all your data. Second is if you run forensic tests, some other kind of test, you won't have data because you have already eliminated all the data because data sits on RAM and RAM is volatile. If you shut down the systems, your data will be gone. So the correct option here is taking the server offline and dealing with it, not shutting it out entirely. So I hope this was helpful for you. Thank you.